in commemoration of the 2025 Breast Cancer Awareness Month, observed from October 1st to October 31st, the leadership of Alimosho Local Government hosted a sensitization program for women in the municipality. Young, middle-aged, and elderly women attended the program alongside council officials and health workers. The council chairman, Honorable Akinpelu Johnson, said the month is dedicated for creating awareness about breast cancer screening and early detection to prevent loss of lives. He reassured the audience of his administration's commitment to the health and wellness of residents, urging women to conduct regular breast self-examinations and routine health checks for their overall well-being. He further encouraged them to apply all knowledge acquired during the program.
Breast cancer remains one of the most common health challenges affecting women globally, and Nigeria is not exempted. Unfortunately, many lives are lost every year simply because this disease is detected too late. Yet, research and experience have shown that early detection through regular screening can make all the difference. It can save lives, prevent families, and give hope where there might have been despair. As a government that prioritizes the health and well-being of our people, we in Alimosho Local Government are committed to promoting health education and preventive care. I want to particularly appeal to all women, mothers, sisters, daughters, and wives to take charge of their health. Please go for regular medical checkups. Learn how to do self-breast examination at home.
The Alimosho Health Education Officer, Mrs. Akinpelu, conducted a practical demonstration on how women can detect possible signs of lumps in their breasts. She encouraged women to check their health status regularly and share the knowledge gained with their neighbors, adding that such efforts will go a long way in reducing breast cancer mortality among women.
Women should, not only women alone, but particularly women. We're the one taking care of our children, we're the one taking care of our husband, even the entire family, we're the only one taking care of them. So we shouldn't neglect our own health also. Regular checkup is very, very important. You can go to the health center to check our BP, our sugar level, which is very important. And breast self-examination is very important at home as well. As we've taught them how to do it, the steps involved and everything, they should be doing it every month, at least 1 week after menstruation. And those that are not menstruating again, those that have gotten to the age of menopause, they can as well pick a day in a month that they will be checking it.
Because this month is the Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and we want all the women in Alimosho to be aware of the impact of breast cancer, the way they can prevent breast cancer, the way they can do their self-examination, just to sensitize them, let them know what it takes and what to do, even if they eventually detect that they have breast cancer.
Attendees appreciated the initiative and described the seminar as insightful, highlighting major lessons learned.
It's a very good program because what they teach us today happens to every woman, even from the youth, from the teenagers. This thing has been happening to every one of them. And we thank God for this program. We really appreciate our chairman, the person of Honorable Akinpelu Johnson, for giving this program to us, teaching us what to do.
Before, I used to hear about cancer stuff, but now I'm more enlightened now, and I understand that I can check it. Normally on a normal day, once women are menstruating, they have these pains, like their breast is swollen and all of that. You will not know the difference between the normal pains and funny stuff in your system. But with today's program, now I understand the difference. Your normal menstrual breast pain is not the same thing with cancer-inflicted pain.
Similarly, the leadership of Alimosho Local Government also marks the 2025 World Environmental Health Day, themed Clean Hair, Healthy People, with an awareness forum on the impacts of a clean environment on human health. Council officials, environmental officers, and residents were in attendance. Speaking at the event, Chairman Akinpelu Johnson said the year's theme aligns with the environmental challenges facing Alimosho Local Government as it decried the indiscriminate burning and dumping of wastes and other pollutants. He stressed that achieving a clean environment is a collective responsibility, urging residents to desist from indiscriminate dumping of refuse, embrace proper waste management practices, support PSP operators, plant trees, and maintain hygienic cooking habits.
It gives me great pleasure to welcome you all as we join the rest of the world to commemorate World Environmental Health Day, a day that reminds us that our health and our environment are inseparable. The theme for this year, Clean Air, Healthy People, speak directly to our daily reality in Alimosho. The air we breathe sustain life, yet too often it is filled with pollutants from traffic, waste burning, indiscriminate dumping of refuse, black spots along the road, and industrial activities. Clean air is not a luxury, it is a right and responsibility we all share. As a local government, we are committed to cleaning an environment where every child can play without fear of consuming germs, and where families can live, work, and thrive.
Equipment to monitor and manage noise and air pollution were showcased at the event, with the chairman pledging to procure them for the Environmental Department. Sanitarian Cyril Akinyele, president of the Environmental Health Officers Association of Nigeria, Lagos chapter, lauded the chairman for promoting environmental health at the grassroots level. He emphasized that the benefits of a clean environment cannot be overemphasized and urged residents to take responsibility for their surroundings and comply with environmental regulations.
We all have responsibility. The government is playing their responsibility. The community needs to play their own responsibility in making sure that their environment is clean. They are not expected to be dumping refuse in an open place. They are not expected to be discharging fecal matter into the drainage, and they are not expected to be destroying the environment. All these things, government is ready to assist. We need to assist ourselves.
Chairman Johnson reiterated his commitment towards improved environmental sanitation, highlighting measures to promote cleanliness and public health, and warned that violators of environmental laws would face necessary sanctions.
We are purchasing a compactor that will be for most major roads in Alimosho, so that those indiscriminate dumping of refuse will be carted away. Then we will set up an environmental task force that will arrest those dumping those refuse. And sited very close to this place is our court. Anybody that is arrested will be taken to court, will be charged to court, and the court will do the necessary judgment for such a person.
My main concern is that I don't want cholera in Alimosho. Any outbreak of disease, I don't want it at all. And the proverb that says cleanliness is next to godliness. If the environment is clean, there will be less to nothing. We will not have disease in the hospital. If we really take care of the preventive aspect, cleaning our environment, doing all that we need to do, we are supposed to do as it concerns the healthiness of the environment, the hospital will not have anybody to visit it.
The sequence of events on the day underscored Alimosho Local Government's steadfast commitment in promoting health awareness, environmental responsibility, and community development, with the sole aim of every resident enjoying a cleaner, healthier, and more sustainable future.